Hello Valley View School District family. I am going to show you how to get and start and activate a parent portal for Infinite Campus in 2 minutes. So let's get started. I want you to grab your fee letter, or I want you to grab the back of your student report card, and on there is your one-time activation key on the bottom. So let's go. We're going to go to vvsd.org/portal. And this is the screen that we are going to receive. You're going to go to New User. Then it's going to ask you for your activation key. You're going to go ahead and type that in. We are creating a parent account for a fictional student named Johnny Rader. So this is a little lengthy, and it is not case sensitive. Okay. Now it's going to ask for a username, and this is for Mom, Susan Rader. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use a email address as the username. So I'm going to do joerader1@gmail. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to highlight this, and I am going to press Control C. Because we are going to, this puts it on my notepad, we are going to use this several times throughout the sign up, and it's going to make it a lot easier. And so I'm going to create a password as well. It has to be 8 digits in length, because you're going to use it for both this and your RevTrak account. Okay, congratulations, we have successfully created My Campus Parent Portal account. I'm going to go back to the login. Then I'm going to take my username, which is stored, and I'm going to go Control V as in Victor. And there is my username. I'm going to put my password in, and I'm logging in. Now it's asking me for a security email. Once again, I'm going to go Control V as in Victor, confirm it by Control V as in Victor, and then enter My Campus Portal password, which I just set up. Wonderful. Now, this is the way to the website. Now, what I'm going to have you do first is go under Parent, and I'm going to have you switch the view to Portal. This is a much more user-friendly view, and as you can see, this has the information about your household, but I haven't selected a student yet. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to Contact Preferences. This is the first thing we want to do, because we want to make sure that we once again do Control V. We come down here and save, and then that gives us all the boxes of every way we want to be communicated to. And then that is it.